How to log in to Delta Airlines employees account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and I'll guide you to log in to Delta Airlines employees account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado let's begin. First, launch a web browser on your device. For demo, let's open Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in Delta Airlines employees login. And press enter on your keyboard. Then you will reach on this section. You need to click on the first link of sign in on Delta and then you will reach on the official interface of Delta Airlines employees account where you can easily see the sign in section. You simply need to enter your credentials, that is your Delta login or PPR, and the password. In case you are having trouble signing in, you can click on trouble signing in button and recover anything you wanna do that. And after that you enter all the credentials, you can click on sign in button and you'll be easily log into Delta Airlines employees account. And that's it for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.